So you want to learn how to enable or disable Windows Defender or Windows Security, but you don't know how? Don't worry, here comes the right video. Hi, my name is Shola, and I'm going to guide you through the process of enabling or disabling Windows Defender or Windows Security. Now for the disabling part, we're going to do this in two ways. We can do it either temporarily or we can do it permanently. And then after that, I will also show you how to enable it. So let's just get started. Now for the temporarily disabling part, first we have to go to our settings, right click on the start button, click on settings, then go to this option called update and security, then click on this option called Windows Security. Once you go there, there will be an option called virus and threat protection. All you have to do is just click on that. Once you click on that, there will be an option called virus and threat protection. What you have to do is just go to your manage settings. Now if you want to disable it, make sure that this option is turned off. As you can see here, it's turned off currently. And if you want to enable it, you can also enable it by doing this. As you can see here, now it's turned on. If you want to turn it off, just click on that and it will be turned off. Now here goes the temporary part. Now after that, we're going to go through the process of disabling it permanently. For that, we need the registrator. We're going to hit the Windows plus R button to open the run. Once the run opens up, we're going to type regedit, regedit. As you can see here, regedit. Click on OK. Now once the registrator opens up, it's going to show you a screen like this. What you want to do is just go to HKey local machine, expand the software, go to this option called policies, expand Microsoft. We're going to look for this option called Windows Defender. So once you can see the Windows Defender, just do a right click, go to new, hit this option called keyword 32-bit value. We're going to type in disable anti-spyware. Now once you type this out, make sure there is no space, disable anti-spyware. So after that, what we're going to do is we're going to put a value for this. Just right click, go to modify, value data, it should be 1. After you put 1, just click on OK. And that's it. After that, all you have to do is restart your computer and the effect will immediately take place. Your Windows Defender will be permanently disabled. And if you want to turn this off, like you want to enable your Windows security one more time, what you have to do is just right click on this and just delete this file. Yes, and then after that, just do one more restart and the Windows security or Windows Defender will be turned on again. I hope this video helped you out, and if you did, please let me know in the comment section below, or if you have any other issue, please let me know down in the comment section as well. I will try my best to help you out, and thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.